Hello everyone, Simon here again, and today we are going to be looking at our clock flashcards. Now, flashcards are a big part of the Shichida method. We use them a lot in class. This set comes with different kind of clocks. Let's crack it open. Well, that's fun, regular box. Comes with this little booklet here, bit of information about it. Yeah, it shows you different ways you can use the cards. As always, it's in Japanese. You can run a lot of this through Google Translate, or if you can speak Japanese, always a plus, or if you're learning. Okay, so it just shows you different ways you can go through and teach kids, and also has little instructions on how to do flashcards here. I've been doing flashcards for about 4 years, so I can show you some tips and tricks. Okay, so here, all the flashcards come together in a little set. They have this little band there so they don't escape all the time. And I'll just lift that up gingerly. So with flashcards, one side's gonna be like this, and the other side will look upside down because we're gonna flip it over while we're teaching them, okay? So instead of having it like this, we flip to make it a lot faster. These ones seem to all be numbered in the back here. These ones have a bit more Japanese on them than some. So we have the first one, second one, the 11th, you know, it keeps going. I think there'll be a couple of sets in there as well. Okay, so you can divide them up into how you're doing them. And on the front, we also have a different numbering system. So we have like 1 here, so that you know that this one is the first one of that first set while you're flipping them over. So I'll just grab some out. Okay, so our first set, just say them at the same time. We say 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock. Okay? And then you could even do it the other way if you wanted to. This way, I'm gonna have to go backwards, but 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And back to 12. So in class, we put a little title card to break it up, but you have all your main hours here. Or you can do it like this. You could say 1 o'clock, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 3 o'clock. Or you can ask your child, what's this? And they say, 4 o'clock, ding, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, okay? So yeah, that's great. That's a lot of fun. I have muddled all those up. So in class, when we're doing flashcards, we use like a little rubber thimble. They come in all different types, and they just help you get a better grip as you're flipping through the cards. So if you want to do it really fast, so usually we say it's about 0.6 of a second per card. And as you can say at the same time, like 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 1 o'clock. 2 o'clock, 1 to 11, Yeah, so they go through in that system. We have all of the kind of the hours, and then it comes into hour and a half. So you say 1:30, 2:30, 3:30, 4:30, 5:30, 6:30, 7:30, 8:30, 9:30, 10:30, 11:30, 12:30. Just like this, a lot of fun. Always a flashcards, flip from the back to the front. Okay, makes it a lot faster. And then the third series is like a 10-minute intervals. So we have 3 o'clock, 3:10, 3:20, 3:30, 3:40, 3:50, and back to 3 o'clock. And as always, you can flip them over. We've got the digital and analog. So that's basically it for our clock flashcards. Fantastic set, using different times to introduce the kids and practice their analog clocks, because analog clocks are really hard for kids to get right. But hey, let's fast forward and let's watch Simon flick through all these cards. Ready? 1 o'clock, back to the start. And the great thing about this is you can also improve your reading upside down ability, because when you're doing it from this side, it's all upside down. All right, until next time, see you guys later. Bye. Clock flashcards.